One thing I found since using AI now in all of the methods and building a ton of things that have actually shipped, all you really need is a computer and Cloudflare, and then this is Kimi. You could use Claude, but Claude was down earlier, so I had to switch over to Kimi, and I'm glad I did because it might be better and cheaper. But in here, you can connect to Cloudflare right here, okay? And Cloudflare, I'm still learning the capabilities of Cloudflare, to be honest. But if you have Cloudflare, you can have a URL, a website, basically an address like cloudflare.com, and then that can point to anything that you want. So it could be actually on your computer. Your website could just live on your computer, and all you would need is actually Cloudflare to be able to do all that. But you don't have to know any of that. You don't have to actually have a clue. You just have to give access to whatever AI you're using. Kimi, so far, this is Kimi Work, which is almost better than Claude Desktop for the easiest one. And then if you're using a terminal, the same thing. But this is just a lot easier. It's a lot more visual. So you connect it to Cloudflare, and then it's really easy. You just step through. You just log into your account, and then it connects you through, and then it will be able to, you could say, create me a website on the domain name that I have. So that's the only other thing that you have to do, obviously, is just buy. Oh, hey, there's me. You just got to buy a domain name, and that's, you can do that on Cloudflare. And then there's a ton of, you could actually host websites on there. There's a ton of things. I'm not, this is not a Cloudflare demonstration. It's more just getting you to understand, just get an account and then connect it to either Kimi or to Claude, and then that will do everything, man. I mean, it's actually incredible what it can do. But if you're just trying to like, hey, I got an idea for this, or I need a website for this, or I need a landing page for this, or I need an automation for this, that'll do it. So check that out.